Hi students, we are back and still on the topic transportation. Um, I want to show you a couple of pictures because in the last video I showed you a picture of hot air balloon, and then chartered flight, right? And I have a couple of more pictures I want to show, and because I feel maybe you know most of the words, but cable cars, when I mentioned cable cars, you're not sure what exactly is. I mean, I assume that you don't know cable cars. So I thought, okay, why not show them a picture first. So this is I think it's the picture is taken from the place. Do you want to guess where is it? This is in America, San Francisco. Yeah, so because they are known for this kind of cable cars, okay? So check it out. There are two ways, like one on the left, one on the right, and I think it's a cool way to travel. It must be interesting, because in Taiwan we don't have cable cars, right? We don't. I mean, it would be. I think in America, maybe some places they have these cable cars. Yeah. All right. So, and what's the other one? The other one is the tramps. Yeah. This picture is taken from the country. You want to guess? Do you see any signs that you can find the name of the country? Not really. Yeah, it's a tramp. See, look at the tramp again. It's two ways, right? And in Taiwan we also have the BRT, right? Taichung, sorry. Taichung has BRT, and some countries also they have BRT, just like MRT. This one is BRT, the buses. Yeah. Taichung, I think it's not really known for BRT. But yeah, it's not bad, I would say. Yeah, I have taken BRT quite a few times, and it's for students I think it's really convenient. Yeah, it could save some time, and also there are many BRTs, right? Like you don't have to really wait for too long to take a bus. Yeah, and it's a lot safer, and when it comes to accident wise, and there's no accidents as such too. So anyway, yeah, trams, cable cars, BRT, MRT. Yeah. Taichung is going to have an MRT this year. I think at the end of this year we will have MRT. Yeah, are you waiting? All right, and I want to give you a couple of questions. Yeah, because in the last video I showed you a reading article, right? Taxis, you remember? Taxis, advantages and disadvantages, and then motorbikes, stealing the bike. I talked about the bike that was stolen, yeah, the story. And then, so I thought, okay, let me give you some questions on transportation. This is just to remember some words, and also recollect what I talked about the transportation, yeah. So we learned the types of transportation. Okay, that's fine, that's good. And then here, as you can see, the mode of transportation. So what I want you to do is, again, you will see this question after you watch the video on the online platform. Some videos, you watch the videos, and then online platform has some questions, right? So you have to answer those questions. You just type. So mode of transportation. So you got to write the mode of transportation, like number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then what you have to do is this, yeah, positive things about this type of transportation. So at least 5 types of transportation I want you to mention, okay? And then talk about the positive aspects or positive things about taking this kind of transportation, and then talk about the negative aspects or negative things of taking this kind of transportation. For example, taxi. What are the advantages? Do you remember? Yeah, the disadvantages could be more expensive, and then short distances. Of course, you can take the taxis. And right now, like, there are a lot of facilities. Like if you want to take a non-smoking taxi, you can also take non-smoking taxis. And there are other ways, like there are many apps now. You just use the app and call a taxi, like Uber is quite popular, right? I'm sure you might have taken some Ubers before, or maybe you know more about Uber Eats than the Uber cars. So yeah, the app is right now. It's as I said, it's a lot easy. I mean, it's a lot easier to get a taxi using your app. And yeah, I want you to write it down. Okay, so you write, and I'll check so that I know you learned these words, and you could also think of the positive aspects and the negative aspects of transportations. I mean, taking different types of transportation. Okay. All right. Thank you, students. I'll see you in the next video.